This is the Robologist, and time for another 60-second review. And today on my bench is Legacy Evolution Core Class Swoop. And here he is, a much better figure than Grimlock. He comes with 2 blasters. Put them together and you have 1 Volcanus fist. He has much more articulation than Grimlock did. And now let's transform him. There's a slot and tab right here to help hold the arms to him. Give him back the blasters, and we are done. This turned out to be a much better figure than Core Class Grimlock, so I'm going to give him 4 stars.